In case you haven't observed, Mercedes has progressively lowered the variety of models still offered with the classic hood accessory. Depending on where you live, the three-pointed Celebrity is still available on some lorries, consisting of the S-Class and also its Maybach brother or sister. Speaking of extra-long sedans, the brand new E-Class L will be maintaining the prominent badge based on images that have actually arisen ahead of the model's official launching. Similar to the C-Class L introduced a couple of years earlier in China, its bigger sibling is going to get a traditional grille style as well as a hood ornament. Disclosing photos have actually been released on the Ministry of Sector and Information Technology's internet site as part of the automobile's homologation procedure. Mercedes really did not introduce the E-Class L finally month's vehicle Shanghai 2023, so the local best is likely to take place in the coming months. The meet record exposes China's 2024 E-Class L measures a charitable 5,092 mm, 200.4 inches, in length, which makes it 143 mm, 5.6 in, longer than the global version. Its wheelbase has been extended by 133 mm, 5.2 in, to a substantial 3,094 mm, 121.8 in. It suggests the ranges at 1,940 kilos, 4,276 extra pounds. When it comes to power, Mercedes will offer the much more spacious E-Class as an E260 liters with 201 horsepower, 150 kilowatts, in addition to an E300 liters rated at 255 horsepower, 190 kilowatts. Both have a turbocharged 2.0-liter gas engine. The base variation will certainly top out at 146 miles per hour, 235 kilometers per hour, whereas the more powerful version will reach 152 miles per hour, 245 kilometers per hour. The E-Class L will certainly go up against other luxury watering holes that have had their wheelbases gone for greater back legroom: Jaguar XFL, BMW 5 Collection Li, Audi A6L, and also the strange A7L sedan.